Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting your controller and opening Citra. You're preparing to map inputs, not configuring graphics. Once Citra is open, go to Emulation, then Configure or Input Settings. This ensures the emulator reads the device. You'll choose Player 1 and click each button field, then press the corresponding button on your controller. Make sure D-pad, analog stick, and L/R triggers all register. If a dead zone appears, set it modestly to avoid drift. Now you refine accuracy. Map analog axes explicitly and adjust dead zone to around 0. 050. 1 if drift occurs. This prevents unintended movement while keeping responsiveness. Once done, assign separate inputs for L and R shoulders and trigger so games that distinguish pressure or digital states work properly. While mapping, test diagonal inputs and simultaneous button presses to confirm no ghosting. If buttons conflict, change their bindings. Save the profile and label it for the specific controller model so you can reload it quickly. Finish by saving your input profile and running an actual game to verify responsiveness. Play a few actions to confirm timing and vibration if supported. If inputs feel off, return to the input menu and tweak sensitivity or dead zone incrementally. Small changes matter. If buttons don't register, make sure the controller is selected as the active device, and if needed, rescan input devices or reinstall the controller driver. One key troubleshooting tip: try another USB port or a different cable. Many issues are simple connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.